Okay, so today we are going to teach you how to create a CC logo, which is Creative Commons, for self-created content that you are putting on Weebly. This is helpful so that when you put things that you have created on Weebly, no one can go on your site and steal.
First things first, we're going to open up Google Chrome. You can do it on Safari as well. Any search engine works. First, type in Creative Commons.org. And once you type that in, it's loading up for me, but once you do, it will load up and there will be a button on the top that says share your work. Once we're there, once you click that little button, you'll be given an option that says choose a license. Then you hit the button that says get started. Now, once you're there, you're going to choose, what you would like with it. Allow adaptations of your work to be shared. This means that allowing people to change and modify your work, and they can share that. If you click no, then no one can, and then if you click yes, then that means sure, and yeah. Next, allow commercial uses of your work. That means that if somebody uses your work, they're not going to be able to steal your work for money. And once you're done going through all the options, there's going to be a part that says have a web page. And now, once you get there, you're going to have to get all of this big thing, and you're going to hit copy.
This is the embed code. So you use this embed code for Weebly. When you use this in Weebly, it will just show the Creative Commons license, and so I have not had a lot of visitors. That's okay. I don't really expect to. So yeah, once we're loaded in, I'm going to go. We're going to go into my digital apps page because Mr. Quinn has a pretty good. He is our digital apps teacher. So, for example, we did a Photoshop project, and in order to use that link that you copied, you're going to have to go into the elements and drag and drop the embed code, which the embed code, sorry, I forgot. The embed code building block, and then click edit HTML. Once you do that, you can just paste this entire thing, and it will pop up like that. Once you are done with that, then you just press preview, and then once you're done with that, you press publish, and once it's done publishing, you are good to go. And the work that you cited or you protected by your CC cannot be used by anything. The license will actually change depending on how you filled out that survey. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.